Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Ashimary hair. I'm working with the Invisi strap 360 lace front wig. This is a pre-everything wig, so the wig comes pre-cut, it comes pre-plucked, a natural hairline, and it comes pre-bleached as well. So this wig is literally ready for you to install straight out of the box. This is 180 density and the hair texture is kinky straight. It's a 24-inch wig. It comes with the Invisi strap, so all you have to do is literally just pull the straps at the back of the wig, and it comes with a hook as well, so the straps stay in place and fits securely on your head. The wig also comes with an adjustable elastic band. It comes with some combs on the inside of the wig. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Okay, so I've got this wig on from Ashimary hair now, and guys, you can see I'm working with a lot of hair today. So like I said, this is their kinky straight wig and it's 180 density, and this is a 24-inch, so you can see where the wig is up to on me. This wig does come with the curly baby hairs, and I feel like this really goes with the kinky hair texture. It just looks so good and very natural. Literally gives it a vibe of, you know, the hair growing from your scalp. Now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. All you need to do is just to pull the drawstring on both sides. Also comes with a hook for you to kind of secure the drawstring so it stays in place. With this, you can wear this wig as a ponytail, you can wear it as a half up, half down. You can do different hairstyles with this wig. So now I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, glue down the wig. I'm not going to use a strong glue today. I'm just going to use my bedhead spray, which is what I usually use to glue down my wigs, and I can't recommend this hairspray to you guys enough. It's so good. It's really strong. The hold on this is so good. I go to the club using just this hairspray and my wigs do not lift. Okay, so up close, this is what the lace looks like. It comes pre-cut. It comes with a very natural hairline, so I don't really need to go in to pluck anything, and it comes with the lace pre-bleached as well. I have tinted the lace to help it match my skin tone. So first things first, I'm going to cut the excess lace around my ears so I can have the ear tabs, or should I say the sideburns in front of my ears, and then the wig is sitting comfortably around my ears. So literally just measure and cut like so. So now this side is sitting in front of my ears and I can have the wig, you know. So I'm gonna cut all the way down, and then when I get to where the drawstring is, I'm gonna be careful not to cut the drawstring. So you're just gonna cut around it, and then this way I can still pull that in place. So you can see what it looks like now.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the drawstring on both sides, and then I'm just gonna use the hook to secure that in place. I'm just gonna tuck the drawstring inside the wig cap so it's literally invisible, you can't see it. And I really like this concept because now you can literally install a 360 wig yourself at home without having to go to a professional to install a 360 wig for you. All the work has been done for you with this wig. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and glue the lace down. The lace looks really good already. I've not done anything to it, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use my bedhead spray.
Fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better
Okay, so guys, this is what the lace looks like. Honestly, this looks so realistic. You would literally think this was my hair. It's definitely giving very much natural hair vibes, and I'm really liking that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the melt band that came with the wig.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
You can't tell me this doesn't look natural. It's definitely giving a natural hairline. I think this is my second or third time working with Ashimary hair, and every time I've worked with them, I've always been, you know, just impressed with the construction, the lace, the hairline, everything. This was so easy for me to install, so I'll definitely say that it is beginner friendly. All you have to do is just to pull the drawstrings, cut the lace around your ears, and glue down the front like you would if you were gluing down a 13x4 or a 13x6 lace front wig. So yeah guys, this definitely gives natural. I'm really impressed with this, and the hair texture as well. This is the Kinky straight hair, like I said. It's a 24-inch and it's 180 density. Love. So now I'm just going to show you different ways that you can style this hair. Okay, so this is one way I feel like you can definitely wear this wig. So you can definitely wear this hair up in a ponytail, and I feel like this wig looks so natural, from the hair texture to the baby hairs at the front. It just looks very natural. Like, this is the most natural looking wig I've worked with. And then I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see what it looks like at the back. And as you guys can see, you can't see the drawstring anywhere. It's literally hidden inside the wig. It's literally invisible. You can't see it. So now I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna do like a messy bun. No guys, honestly, sometimes it's not everyday bust down, you know, layers. Sometimes natural looking wig for real, because this looks so good. I'm gonna use a bobby pin just to hold this in place at the back, and then grab a hairband just to hold this.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty.
This will do. And just to make that look really cute, I'm gonna go in with this scrunchie, and then just remember you can always tuck in the drawstring at the back, and it stays in place because of the hooks that they've put at the end of each side. So you just literally hook it and then it stays in place. Like, this is not going anywhere. This is very secure on my head. Like, I'm so impressed with this. I am so impressed. Ashimary hair, you did your big one with this. Okay, so like I said, this wig is from Ashimary hair, and this is the 360 Invisi strap skin lace frontal kinky straight wig. Pre everything. The lace came pre-cut, it came pre-plucked, and it came pre-bleached as well. So literally this wig is ready for you to install straight out of the box. You don't need to do any extra customization. I'm just so impressed and in love with this wig. And just to show you guys, this is how deep the parting is on the lace. So this is a 13x6 lace front wig, as you can see. So the parting goes all the way down, and you can also decide to go for a deep side part. This is what it looks like on the side. So yeah.
And I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
Okay, so that brings me to the end of today's video. You guys, let me know what you think. I am absolutely in love with this wig. This looks so good. It looks like it's growing from my scalp, and I feel like the baby hairs just makes it look 10 times extra realistic. Like it literally looks like it's growing from my scalp. And I feel like maybe the fact that I have no makeup on today as well, I feel like that's also adding to the whole like natural vibes. Like I love it. Love. Ashimary hair, I don't have anything to say. I have no words, okay, because this hair is everything, okay. I would definitely recommend you guys should try a kinky straight wig for once. Like just try it once and see. And I feel like now that they've been coming out with this curly baby hairs, I just don't see myself doing a kinky straight look without the edges. Like I feel like this makes it look extra natural. Like look at this. And the fact that you can wear this wig in different hairstyles, you can have it as a ponytail, you can do a half up, half down, you can have a messy bun, you can have it as a side part, a middle part. Yeah, this is a 360 wig. Like you can do so much with this wig. I'm really impressed. So once again, like I said, this wig is from Ashimary Hair. This is the 360 Invisi strap wig. It's 180 density and it's a 24 inch. I feel like 180 is the perfect density. You don't want anything bigger than this, and if you do, you know, yeah, but I feel like for me personally this is like perfect. I don't think I can go any bigger than this. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below. Also, Black Friday is coming up, so you guys make sure you check their website. I'm sure they're gonna have some deals, and if there's any code available, I'll make sure to list that down in the description box below. You guys let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Yeah, you already know what I think anyway, but yeah, let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.